Imagine skipping the baggage claim, breezing through security, and walking straight out of the airport without waiting for your luggage. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Today, I'm sharing 4 powerful minimalist packing hacks that will fit everything you need into just a carry-on, no matter where you're going. Welcome back to the Smooth Travel Tips channel, where we turn stressful travel into smooth adventure. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button because these tips will change the way you travel forever. The first hack says the rule of 3. First, follow the rule of 3. Pack only 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 pair of underwear. Why? Because you can mix and match them into over 9 outfit combinations. Add a lightweight jacket, and you are covered for almost any trip without overstuffing your bag. The second hack says, roll, don't fold. Next, ditch traditional folding. Rolling your clothes not only saves spaces, but also reduces wrinkling. Use packing cube to keep everything organized and to compress your clothes even more so that there can be enough spaces in your carry-on for every other items that you might want to take along with you in your travel trip. The third hack says, wear your bulkiest item. If you are bringing boots, jackets, or chunky sweaters, wear them during your flight. This free up spaces in your carry-on and keep you warm on plane. Remember, airlines don't weigh what's on your body. Of course, you observe at the port that there are some persons that roll their clothes around them. Some even tie their sweater to their waist. This is just an idea of keeping enough space in the carry-on and making the carry-on very light. You can do the same too. The fourth hack, which is the last one, says multipurpose everything. Finally, choose items that serve multiple purposes, like a scarf that doubles as a blanket or shoe that works for both casual outing and dinner. The more versatile each item is, the less you need to pack. Minimalist packing isn't about sacrifice, it's about freedom. These 4 hacks can help you travel lighter, save money on baggage fees, and make your trip a whole lot smoother. Which of these will you try first? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Smooth Travel Tips channel, and join my WhatsApp inner circle for exclusive travel secrets that is not even shared on this YouTube channel. Safe travel and keep it light. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I encourage you to like and share this video to as many as possible. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for coming around once again. And if you are a new subscriber, do well to hit the subscribe button. Join my WhatsApp inner circle once again as I share tips and updates that will help you have a smooth travels. I even drop travel opportunities on the platform which you would not want to miss. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.